Good morning, everybody. Today is another beautiful day of rebuilding the deck, part 4. It was raining a little while ago, but I should be able to work for a while this morning and hopefully get done what needs to be done. Because today is going to be all about screwing. And normally that might be something that I would enjoy, but I've got to do it about 1,000 times from the looks of it. And I have a feeling after the first couple of times I'll probably want to lay down and go to sleep. But let's see if I have the stamina to make it through this. So from the last time we were working on the deck, we got all these boards laid out. So now I got to go through and screw. I'm starting on one end, working my way to the other. And we'll see how long that takes me. It's a little going on 9:30 this morning. So it's time for me to get started. So I will be back on here shortly. Hey everybody, so far I've gotten to I've gotten a small section done and 3/4 of the next big section done, and it's taken me almost 2.5 hours to do that. Using this tool, using that new tool where you put where the screws go on the side, that camouflage, the camo tool. It's great. It works good, but it's a very slow process. If I was screwing these down, from the top, I would probably be just about done by now. So this is definitely a very slow process, but it looks better and works well. But it's been taking me longer because I've been running into a problem I'm going to show you here. This is why you pick your boards out yourself when you go and get them, no matter where you get them from. But sure, you can see these gaps, so I'm having to constantly fix the gaps as I'm going along, which is slowing me down a lot. And I also wanted to show you, for you nature lovers out there and animal lovers, you can check out this little copperhead on a rock down there. If I can get this zoomed in on it. He's down there. There he is. Right there. Little feller. Yep. They love that waterfall area. There's always a bunch of them down there. So I don't know how good that's gonna look, but he's sunning himself, getting ready, starting his day. But yeah, that's the thing about living with all these beautiful creeks around. You just got to keep your eyes out for copperheads and the occasional rattlesnake you'll find. But copperheads, they tend to just run away from you, so it's not that big a deal. Because there is a pretty good swimming hole that's farther up creek. I think I mentioned in one of my other videos. But this is turning into a beautiful day. The sun's finally come out. Starting to get kind of hot, but that's alright. Alright. Well, I thought I'd show that, and it's time for me to get back to screwing. I didn't actually fall asleep, so that's a good thing. Looks like I have the endurance to keep doing it after all. I'm going to pause the video, and I will see you in a little bit. Alright, so that's going to be it for the screwing for today. the old people needed their after lunch nap, so he wanted me to stop for now because I was doing some hammering, trying to get the boards together, and so it is what it is. I got this short section done, and then this long section here done. It was 366 screws in the short section, and then this one long section. So I got 2 more long sections and a short section to do. So that's gonna take. Maybe I can get started a little earlier tomorrow, and I'll be able to get that part done, and then that's another long bit of taking the rest of these old boards off and putting the new boards down. So it's going to take a little bit longer than I initially was planning for, but that's alright. Yeah, it'll get done. I'm just looking forward to when I get to start doing the rails, and I can show you guys how we're putting those together. That ought to be a little bit more interesting than me talking about screwing boards. So anyway, take it easy, guys. That's it for part 4 of rebuilding the deck. Thank you. Like and subscribe if you like this content.